Hello friends, vacancy है, project manager, oil and gas, 5,500 United States dollars, construction manager, mechanical piping, 4,000 United States dollars, construction manager, civil structural 4,000 United States dollars, construction manager, electrical instrumentation, 4,000 United States dollars, store manager or purchase procurement manager, 3,000 United States dollars. Construction superintendent, mechanical piping, 3,000 United States dollars. Construction superintendent, civil structural, 3,000 United States dollars. Construction superintendent, electrical instrumentation, 3,000 United States dollars. Construction supervisor, mechanical piping, 2,000 United States dollars. Construction supervisor, civil structural, 2,000 United States dollars. Construction supervisor, electrical instrumentation structural, 2,000 United States dollars. Mechanical engineer 2.25 LINR. Instrument sales electrical engineer, 75,000 Indian rupees. Mechanical engineer 1,700 United States dollars. Electrical engineer, 1,700 United States dollars. Piping engineer 1,700 United States dollars. Instrument engineer, 1,700 United States dollars. Civil engineer structural division 1,700 United States dollars. Planning engineer, civil, mechanical, electrical 1,700 United States dollars. Mechanical car and QC engineer 1,700 United States dollars. Mechanical piping engineer car and QC, 1,700 United States dollars. Civil engineer car QC structural division, 1,700 United States dollars. Electrical instrument engineer 1,700 United States dollars. Mechanical QC inspector 1,300 United States dollars. Mechanical piping QC inspector 1,300 United States dollars. Civil engineer QC inspector, civil structural 1,300 United States dollars. Instrument QC inspector 1,300 United States dollars. Electrical QC inspector 1,300 United States dollars. Material coordinator 1,700 United States dollars. Above all, candidates qualified in respective discipline and having relevant experience in similar industry need to apply. Oil and gas jobs in Nigeria 2024 large recruitment.